it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today we are gonna make this recently styled console table into a holiday accented item, so stay tuned. So first up, a couple quick tips when I am doing my holiday decor. If I want to make it really quick and simple, what I'll do is I'll look at an item such as this and think, what holiday decor piece do I have that is similar in size and color? Because whenever I style, as you guys remember, like when we styled this console, for example, I was definitely like taking a lot into consideration in regard to the color, right? Balancing out the black tones. So we had some black over here to balance out that, and then definitely shape and size and scale, all those things. And so when I do my holiday decor, a really easy way to do it is to essentially replace a piece with a piece. So a typical standard year-round piece with something that's similar in holiday. So here's an example. Remember this simple black nutcracker that I shared last week in the holiday preview? If you missed that, go check it out. Love this matte black. And again, just really classic. And so we're gonna pop that in here in place of this guy for holiday decor. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this item. You know, we have kind of a white tone here with this little sculptural piece. I'm gonna swap it out as well. We're gonna go with a couple of these holiday houses, remember those? And just kind of set them on here. So we have a little bit of a similar look in terms of color and size, but now it's already getting a very holiday feel up here. And I love these greens. They're really ones that can work year round, but it's gonna be fun to bring something that's a little bit more Christmassy, holiday. So I'm gonna grab some cedar stems that I got, the faux cedar branches from Target. And here those are. Remember how good a deal these are as well from that recent video I shared. I have 4 stems here and I folded down the ends so that they're gonna fit better in this tall vase. We're just gonna kind of plop those in there. I usually vary the heights, just like I do with the other ones, because that helps us have a little more natural feel to it. And sometimes you're gonna have to use the wire in them to bend it where it feels, you almost want it to feel like you just set it in there and it looks real natural, and that's pretty good, organic. All right, and then down here, this is the last spot. I'm gonna just leave the books because they're easy year round. And I'm gonna take out this magnifying glass and we're gonna bring in some ornaments in place. These are some really fun ones that I already had in my holiday decor. Love these different shapes. They are from Target. I'm hoping that they have these again. I will double check, and if so, I'll link them or I'll link similar. I swapped out, they had just those cheap toppers that were like a string. I made a reel showing how I did that, so I'll try and get that added to shorts soon. But I cut those off and added this really pretty velvet ribbon that I shared with you guys that's from Amazon. So I think that that turned out really cute, and I'm just gonna place these on the tray so we have a little more festive look going on. Love those. You could really even put a bowl of ornaments, would be cute. You could do a whole bowl down there. Anyway, lots of flexibility, but you can see how just in like 5 minutes, I took this from your typical year-round console styling to a little more holiday vibes and that seasonal flair for Christmas. I would probably add, as it goes with me typically, around this time of year in November when it starts getting to be Thanksgiving. I don't really have Thanksgiving decor, so I usually bring a little bit of the Christmassy stuff, but not like so much. You can see actually behind me, I think you can get a little peek of our Christmas tree we just got. I did get a real one. I get the kind in the box planter from the nursery. And then like last year, we just planted it in our yard. So that's kind of cool. And so I did that again this year because I really love it. And then I can get my tree earlier too, because I start decorating earlier than a lot of people just in order to bring you guys ideas. But anyway, so that's coming soon too. We'll do a whole holiday tour and a few of the other places that I'm adding accents. But kind of what I was gonna say is that I start out doing simple little touches of the wintry Christmas decor in November, and then I kind of add to it until by Christmas it's like full on Christmas. So this is just an easy way to get your holiday decor off to a good start. I usually add to it throughout the season. As Christmas gets closer, I'll kind of mix more things in, but I love the simplicity. I love the black and white, like I said, with a little pop of the holiday greens as well. So lots of fun stuff in that last video you can check out in more depth for what I purchased this year, and I'll be bringing you more spaces and ideas really soon. So stay tuned. I can't wait to see you next time. Be sure to check us out over on Instagram at Design Loves Detail, the website designlovesdetail.com, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified of future videos so you won't miss anything.